if you're experiencing issues with the Fortnite update getting stuck. Follow these steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Restart your device. Shut down your gaming console or PC completely and then turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches that may be causing the update to stall. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to load other online services. Step 3. Pause and resume the update. Go to the Fortnite update section and pause the update for a few moments. After pausing, resume the update to see if it continues downloading. Step 4. Clear cache. For consoles, you can clear the cache by unplugging the power cord for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the Epic Games launcher cache by navigating to the settings and selecting the appropriate option. Step 5. Reinstall Fortnite. If the update is still stuck, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Fortnite. This will ensure you have the latest version of the game without any corrupted files. Following these steps should help you resolve the issue with the Fortnite update. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.